Welcome, guys. My name is Joanna Puchala, and I would like to go through some yoga positions with you. We are going to practice spinal twists. If you want to join me, if you feel like you are stiff in your back area, in your obliques area, in your hips, then you can join me. It's quite nice to open up the back and the hips. So we're going to start from cross-leg position. You rest right hand on top of your left knee and the left hand behind you. You lengthen spine up to your head. Engage your stomach muscles. Draw navel in towards your back. Keep your body nice and tall, your upper body. Chin is in line with your sternum. You breathe in and out through your stomach. So you don't want to hold your breath. Let it flow. Breathe in and out through your nose, using the stomach area. Inhale. Exhale, come back to the center and reverse your spinal twist. Twist your back towards the other side. Shoulders soft. Relax your hips down. Even up weight across your body through your seat bones. Root it evenly to the ground. Chin in line with your sternum. You breathe in and out through your belly. Keeping upper body nice and tall so you don't collapse onto your back hand. Inhale. Exhale, return back to the center. So you're going to extend the left leg forward. Right leg is pressing against the inner side of our left thigh. Flex your left foot. Inhale. Reach up with your hands. And as you exhale, reach all the way forward to forward bend. So you can hold onto your ankle or foot with your hands. Tilt forward. Just take a moment here to lengthen your back, relaxing your hips. Pressing down through the back of your leg towards the ground. You can always look up if you feel lightheaded, so head is in line with your back, or you can release head down. As you breathe in and out, your body relaxes a little bit more, and you go deeper into the position. Inhale, look up, reach up with your hands. And as you exhale, lower hands down. Send your right leg over your left thigh. Keep your left foot flexed. Sit bones are rooted to the floor. Reach up with your left hand. Inhale and exhale. Push your front knee away with your opposite hand and reach back with your right hand. So just staying with your breath, breathing in and out through your belly without collapsing back. Keep your upper body nice and tall. Another variation, you can bend your lower leg. Keep your foot away from your buttocks. So you don't want to be seated on your heel, you want to have your heel free. And again, left arm pushing away with your front knee. Right hand goes behind you. Keep your upper body nice and tall. Breathe in and out through your belly. So you really want to even up weight across your seat bones. Another variation, you send your top arm underneath your front leg. So you can push hand with your right hand, left hand with your right. So you send it underneath your front leg, right hand goes behind, and you bind hands behind you. Yeah, so your left hand is underneath your front leg, your hands are behind you. You lengthen spine out through your head. Inhale, exhale, return back to the center. So you're gonna bring your right leg on top of your left hip flexor in Padmasana. So right leg on top of your left hip flexor. You can stay where you are and take a forward bend, or you send your right hand all the way around behind you, grab big toe of your top foot with your right hand and twist your spine to your right side. So your left hand rests on top of your right knee, twist your back to your right side. Breathing in and out through your belly. Inhale, exhale, return back to the center. Here, you can reach forward with your left hand or both hands. Keep sit bones rooted to the ground and take a forward bend. Inhale, exhale, curve spine up. Release your arms, release your legs, stretch them forward, shake them. And bend your left leg, send towards you, open knee to the side, and foot is pressing against your left leg. Flex your right foot, inhale, reach up through your arms. Exhale, hinge from your hips on the way down. You go down to forward bend, you can hold onto your ankle or back of your foot. You can bind your hands here. Inhale, look up, and exhale, take a forward bend. So you want to send shoulders back away from your ears and the back of your leg down to the ground. And relaxing more and more into position. Inhale, look up, reach up through your hands. Exhale, open arms, release them down. Send your left leg over your right leg. Flex your front foot. Inhale, reach up through your right arm. This is the opposite arm to your top knee. As you push your knee away with your right elbow and place left hand behind you. Keep your shoulders down, chin in line with your sternum. So another variation is both legs bent. So you bend also your lower leg. Make sure that you are not seated on your left heel, right heel. Your buttocks are in between your legs. Reach up with your top arm, pushing front knee away. Always find opposition in your spinal twist. Instead of leaning back, you hold your upper body lifted up. And another variation, you want to try to take a bind. So your right arm goes underneath your front leg and you reach back with your left hand. You bind hands behind you, lengthen spine up. Try to balance evenly on your both buttocks, keeping upper body nice and tall. Breathing in and out through your belly without holding your breath. Inhale, exhale, return back to the center. So we're gonna go for Padmasana. You rest your left foot on the crisp of your right hip. You are in Padmasana. Knees go down. You can take a forward bend here with hands in front of you and sit bones rooted to the ground. As far as you can, try to send your left arm all the way back and grab big toe of your left foot with 3 fingers of your left hand. Then your right hand rests on top of your left knee. You keep your upper body nice and tall as you twist towards your left side. This is a nice stretch in your obliques, in your hips. We're opening our chest and heart, and you keep breathing in and out, relaxing your face. Inhale, exhale with your head, reach forward through your right hand with both hands and release head down. Make sure your sit bones are rooted to the ground. Inhale, exhale, curl spine up. And release your hand. So we're going to release those legs, shake them out, reach forward. Let's reach forward through our arms. Inhale, flex your feet. Exhale, lean forward. Take it forward bend. Fold into your shins, ankles, or you can plant hands behind your feet. Rocking from side to side. Find the center. Inhale, look up. And exhale, rest head down to lengthen your back. Press down through the back of your legs. Draw shoulders back away from your ear. Relax your body. Inhale. Exhale, curl spine up, vertebra by vertebra. Take a moment here with your eyes closed. Reach up with your hands, open your eyes, inhale. And exhale, enhance your heart center. Thank you very much. Namaste.